Studying is not always easy. Sometimes we feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated. But deep down, we know, study is an investment in our future. Every page we read, every note we take, every hour we focus, it's building something. It's building knowledge, discipline, and confidence. We may not see the results right away, but it all adds up. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Some days you'll learn a lot. Other days, just a little. And that's okay. What matters is that you show up, again and again. Studying is not just for exams. It's for growth, for dreams, for the life you want to build. So take a deep breath, open your book, and give it your best. Even when it's hard, remember why you started. Remember the goals, the hopes, the future you're working toward. Each small effort is a step forward. Every study session is a brick in the foundation of your success. Mistakes? They're part of learning. Doubts? They're human. But your determination, that's powerful. The road may be long, but the journey is worth it. So stay focused. Stay strong. Keep learning. Keep believing. Your future self will thank you.